Welcome to our video. I'm going to tell you how to watch movies on Apple CarPlay step by step. By default, Apple CarPlay doesn't allow video streaming for safety reasons, so you will need a workaround. The easiest way is by using third-party apps like CarBridge or CarTube, which lets you mirror apps such as YouTube, Netflix, or Plex onto your CarPlay screen. To do this, first install the app on your iPhone, then connect your phone to CarPlay either through USB or wirelessly. Once connected, open the CarBridge or CarTube app, choose the streaming service you want, and your video will play directly on the CarPlay display. Just remember, this is intended for parked or passenger use, not while driving. For a safer built-in option, you can preload movies onto your iPhone and use screen mirroring with compatible head units. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe for more useful content.